Hello everyone, welcome to Moments with Lorraine. For those of you who are new, welcome. And for those who have been here before, welcome back. This is a very easy Dollar Tree hack. If you have some plain glass, simple looking candle holders around the house and they are looking kind of boring, here is a simple way to spruce them up a bit. I'm going to use this bowl that you can find at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use these tiny green pebbles that I found at the Dollar Tree also. The reason why I am pouring them into the mixing bowl is because the pebbles are different shades of green, which is hard to see on camera. I had to use 3 packs of these pebbles due to the very large size of these candle holders. Just going to give them a good stir so the color is even. I'm going to fill up the bottom part of the candle holder 1.5 to 2 inches. Fill according to the size of your candle holder and for the look that you are going for. Because of the large size of these candle holders, I could not get them angled properly in the camera. My son and daughter-in-law bought me these candle holders. They are very large. The camera does them no justice. The smallest one is almost 16 inches tall, the middle one is almost 18 inches tall, and the large one is almost 20 inches tall. So yeah, very big. So simple, nothing to it. Who would have known that the Dollar Tree carries such a beautiful shade of green in these pebbles? I chose green to match the curtains and the rug in my dining room. There! It's amazing how the simplest things can add such a big difference. And no hot glue gun or Gorilla Glue or E6000 glue had to be used in the making of this project. Wow, sometimes I amaze myself. Please leave your comments below and let me know what you think. And hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons below. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, all of you stay safe and take care.